Now I'm starting this video off a little bit differently. This is a universal clip or smartphone holder for your car, fits on the mirror. You really need to watch to the end and you'll get my honest opinion on what I think of this thing. I may save you a bit of money, so definitely watch it. I've already recorded the early unboxing and we will continue with what I thought was going to be a good product. Let's get into the video now. And good day, today we're having a look at this. It's a universal clip cell phone holder. And it's grey, although that looks black. Anyway, we'll find out when we open it. Features: adjustable angle, multi-joint design, flexible adjustment to meet the needs of different sight lines. A strange term that is. Practical holder, it's concealable design. Yeah, okay, try and hide it. We'll find out. Anyway, you only need to pull the bracket out of the rear view mirror. Yeah, well, you're going to hide it then when you use it. If you don't need it, you can hide the bracket behind the rear view mirror without disturbing your sight. Okay, it's in other words, it's just saying that you can fold it up behind the mirror. So I don't think you can call that concealable. Maybe if you're looking from the driver's side it's concealable, but definitely not from the other side. Anyway, flipping over, we've got flexible joints, 360 degrees, 120 degrees, 120 degrees, 360, and press the silver button for use. We've got a little barcode down here, a couple of photos of it in action. Rear view mirror, back seat, video stand, kitchen stand, okay, desk, table and bed stand. I suppose that's functional, can do that. And we're on the other side here just showing you the width of the things it can do. So it's saying it can go from 60 to 100 mm wide, it's suitable for phones 4 to 6.9 inches and made in China. And that's basically all that's on the box, so let's get into it and have a look. Okay, what have we got? That's it. Okay, so not much in there. Feels lightweight. Press silver button. Oh, okay. I see what it does. It's oh, okay. It's reasonable. It's got some preset angles in there already locked. That's not too bad. And that goes in. I'm assuming we've got to push it in. Or do we take that off first? Maybe unscrew, do we? Yeah, yeah. Pop it through, pop it in. Yep, okay. Come on, start the thread. Doesn't want to start. There we go, got it. It's actually fairly rigid. Fair bit of movement in it. Maybe when it's locked in place, perhaps. No, it's, as you can see there, there's definite movement in the joint. Maybe we'd move it another one. No. Bit of free play in it, but I suppose when it's sitting up in its position it's meant to be in, it won't be so noticeable. It does move a little bit, but we'll put it out in the car and we'll do some of these other tests and see how it works. It looks relatively cheap. I suppose that fits up on there, does it? Oh, that's a strange setup. Okay, so how do we... Oh, okay, got it now. So that, okay, that makes sense now. So that just basically unscrews, put in there whatever width you want and just tighten it up. Soft plastic for the jaws. Yeah, for the price, I think it's okay. Find out soon enough when we take it outside and bash it around in the car and see if it works. See, it holds my Samsung Galaxy S22 quite easily. Plenty of room in it, as you can see there. So you've got oodles of space to put in bigger phones. So far so good. Let's try this contraption and see how it fits. It's supposed to go up in behind here. Okay. Really? It goes in behind there? Now there's my first problem. It doesn't fit. No way I can get that to fit. Oh well, that's a bit of a shame. I was looking forward to testing it out. Well, one thing I've learnt, you can only open the jaws up so much, and they open to, what do we got here? What's that? 25 it looks like. So it'll open to 25 and that's it. So just bear that in mind if you're trying to go around an object bigger. It simply won't. Well, after not being able to mount it on my car mirror, I thought I'd bring it in here and see what else it can do. Well, it fits onto the chair okay, it definitely locks on there, but as you can see, it's a bit on the loose side. So even if I'd managed to get this to work in my car, it would have moved around that much, making it pretty well useless. And that is my opinion of this particular universal mobile phone, holder, whatever you want to call it. It's basically a waste of time. Don't waste your money on it. Buy something else. Now hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Maybe you've got a different idea on this. Maybe it works well for you. Feel free to leave a comment. I'll read it and either agree or disagree. Have a bit of fun. And hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.